Hello, good morning. Livukenjani, Mamokase Boshu. My name is Brisa.M. Welcome to my channel. And this episode is food. I'm making a Zimbabwean dish today. So stay tuned and watch me cook derere or okra. This is how I make it. And yeah, I'm thinking most Zimbabwean people make it like this. So this is okra. In Zimbabwe, in Shona, we call it derere or delele. So yeah, stay along, watch how I do it. I don't know if I'll do it the same way as you. If you cook in a different way, please let me know in the comment section. Just comment which country you're watching from and tell me what you call this thing. Is this okra for you as well? Does your okra look like this? Do you eat okra? Is this how you make it? You can just type no or yes in the comment section. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm just gonna cook this and hopefully tonight I'll have it with sata. I've just been craving okra. I have just been craving it. So this is one of the ways. I will make another video and show you guys another way to make derere. Hopefully sometime this week if I can. If not, then in a couple of weeks you'll be able to come back to my channel and see the other way that we make derere or okra in Zimbabwe. Okay, it's ready, it's ready. Ndakutongobika kasadza kangu. I'm just gonna cook my sadza, ischala or pap. It's a little bit brown because I'm using multi-grain flour to mix it. So it's mostly finger millet, a little bit of sorghum, maize meal, and other different grains that we have in Zimbabwe. So a mixture of all the grains is what makes my salsa like this. I can't wait. As I'm gonna talk kwata, I'm almost about to mix it. If you guys want to see me cook salsa in a video and want to know how we make Zimbabwean salsa, please let me know in the comments below, and I can make a video showing you how we make multi-grain salsa. Salsa regio remunga nemusanganiswa, a salsa that is made out of a lot of grains, mixed grains. So leave me a comment. I'm excited. My salsa is almost ready. I'm just looking for my hook to get everything together so that I can start mixing it, pounding it, or kurimona, and I can have that with my dinner. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate the support, and I'm so thankful to the 353 subscribers that tune into my videos every week. You guys mean the most. Bye, have a lovely week. That's my salsa. And again, thank you so much. If you're new, please remember to subscribe and watch more of my content. Bye.